Okay, the next item we have is a CD. And this one is Baby Einstein.
Naptime Melodies.
Naptime Melodies. There's the front, and the side, other side, and the back. Now he's going to take the plastic off and see what's inside.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh no, we got a security sticker label.
Oh no. Security stickers are hard to get off, aren't they?
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but I'm hungry.
Yeah. I got it on low.
Huh?
I have it on low right now. Just trying to keep it warm so we don't have to microwave it. I hate microwaving food unless they have to.
As long as that pan's not getting scorched.
No, I sprayed it. There! Good job, buddy. You got it. Oops, a little bit more. Why do they put security stickers on it for people to pick off?
There we go.
And inside, we've got a beautiful blue and white CD. Let me see it. Nice.